Absolutely.
From him? Okay. Call out with a click. Pretty cool.
It's like he's blowing bubbles, right?
Kind of. Call that one squawk. See how it's coming out of his blowhole? So he's got his mouth under the water. He makes that sound out of his blowhole. Call this one sputter. Call this one popcorn. And we have this whistle that we use to tell him he's done a good job. So take a listen really quick. So you heard that? Listen to Beethoven. You learned how to mimic it.
Oh, that's so cute.
We have one more sound. I saved the most beautiful one for you. Kind of attractive.
That is awesome.
More